In this video, you'll learn how to sign out from all devices on Taskrabbit. This process ensures that your account remains secure by logging out from any device you may have used previously. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Taskrabbit website. If you're not already signed in, you will need to enter your account credentials. Input your email address and password, then click the login button to access your account. Once you are logged in, locate your profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Account Settings to proceed to your account management page. In the Account Settings section, look for the tab or link that says Security. This area contains options related to your account security and privacy. Click on this link to access the security settings. Next, you should see an option that says Sign Out of All Devices. Click on this option. A confirmation prompt may appear asking you to verify that you want to sign out from all devices. This step is important as it prevents unauthorized access to your account. After confirming, you will receive a notification indicating that you have successfully signed out of all devices. This may take a moment, so be patient while the system processes your request. Once completed, you will be redirected back to your account settings page. It is advisable to check your email for any notifications regarding this action. Additionally, ensure that you change your password if you suspect any unauthorized access to enhance your account's security further. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.